Thank you so much, guys, and welcome back to Fred Moore TV. This is another amazing video. This is an amazing lesson. Subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video widely as always. And today, which song am I teaching you? Let me play first so that you can know which song is this. Is Utukufu juu kwa Mungu, utukufu juu mbinguni, like that, huh? Just like that. I'm going to teach you how to play that part. So sit down, relax, and enjoy. If you have a piano, just play. When I teach something, you can pause the video a bit and then play a bit and then continue watching the video until you are good in playing this chorus of this song Utukufu juu kwa Mungu. So let me play again and then we break down what I'm doing. So let me, as usual, start with the right hand. So how am I starting this song? Utukufu juu, that part. You start with these two. This is B and this is D. And this is G and this is B. You can play like that. Utukufu. So as I usually tell you, you hold a chord all so that you can play nicely. You need to use these first, second, and fifth so that you can hold like this. I'm holding the chord like that, like this, using the first, second, and fifth, like that. So it's like. So then I hold this. That part usually goes like that. Play just like that. Hold these two. This is B. This is D. This is G. This is D. This is B. This is G, this is G, this is B, this is B, this is D, and then you hold G and C, and then you go back to G and B. So like, don't get complicated, just look at what I'm doing. I know you can be able to view nicely. Yeah, I see you are viewing very nicely. The video is clear, so you are seeing what I'm doing. Just repeat what I'm doing. All right. Let me go utukufu juu mbinguni. So you start the same thing, but you go towards this side. So you go like that. Like that. So when we combine that, let me play this the Utukufu juu mbinguni so that we combine with the first part. So amani kote duniani. Here we go. You repeat just the first part and then amani kote duniani kwa wenye mapenzi mema. So we'll start again. Mapenzi mema kwa wenye mapenzi mema. Kasi mema ama mema kwa wenye mapenzi mema ama mema. So like that, and then the left hand. We are done with the right hand. You just combine those parts. You play like this. Now you play with the beat like that. You follow the beat. And then the bass side. Let me play first. So I'm starting like when I play, right? So I play. That's how I'm playing the first part of the left hand. Like that. And then so like right. Like that 2 times. So you are playing this like 4 times. Like this 4 times, and then you go to this. Let's combine. Just like that. The bass is like that, and then when we combine all of it with our beat, I'm using a bit of country pop 105, number 105. The tempo I'm using 140. something I'm doing on the bass, on this part of the bass. If I play like, I am adding this melody like this. So if I combine everything, it sounds like this. Like that. Again. So the next lesson I'm going to teach you how to play the verse of Utukufu juu kwa Mungu, and I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. If you have enjoyed, make sure you subscribe, like and comment and share this video ideally. This is Fred Moa. As always, I tell you guys, I love you so much because of your support. You usually support me. Alright guys, so make sure you comment on which next song you want me to teach you, and also go to my music YouTube channel. It's called Fred Mwangi Music YouTube, and all social media platforms. If you search Fred Mwangi Music, you shall find me there. This YouTube channel is called Fred Moa TV. Make sure you subscribe and go and listen to my new songs on Fred Mwangi Music, and I'll be so glad to have you commenting there on my songs and giving me some new opinions on what I will do next. I have a lot of other songs and a lot of other lessons coming soon, so just keep locked in and then we are good to go. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Let's meet on the next amazing lesson of Utukufu juu kwa Mungu part 2 on how to play the verse section. Thank you and God bless you.